Google Earth shows us the world almost. But some places, they're blurred, blacked out, or simply gone. Airstrips that don't exist. Islands you can't zoom in on. Cities wiped from the satellite view. What are they hiding? Why are we not allowed to see them? These are the 10 places Google Earth doesn't want you to see. And what you'll find might change how you look at the world forever. In the freezing Arctic Ocean, north of Russia, lies a tiny island you can't zoom in on. It's called Jeannette Island. And on Google Earth, it's completely blurred out. No clear satellite view, no high-res images, just a fuzzy shape in a frozen sea. Why is this uninhabited icy island hidden? Some believe it's used by the Russian military for secret operations. Others claim it hides a classified research station, or something far stranger. What makes this chunk of frozen rock so important? No one knows, and Google won't say. But for now, Jeannette Island remains a frozen mystery, one that you're not allowed to explore, even from space. Deep in the forests of Alaska sits a scientific facility that's blurred out on Google Earth. It's called HAARP, the High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program. Officially, it's a research station, used to study the ionosphere and high-frequency radio waves, but conspiracy theories have turned it into something far darker. People believe HAARP is capable of weather control, mind manipulation, or even causing natural disasters. On Google Earth, you won't see much, just a censored zone surrounded by antenna fields. Why blur a weather lab? The U.S. government says it's harmless. Others say it's hiding a power we shouldn't understand. Whether science or secrecy, HAARP has become one of the most watched and most censored places on the map. In the peaceful countryside of the Netherlands sits a quiet airbase with a very big secret. It's called Vocal Airbase, and on Google Earth, part of it is blurred out. Why? Because this base is rumored to house U.S. nuclear weapons as part of NATO's secret stockpile in Europe. Leaked documents and whistleblowers suggest there may be over 20 nuclear bombs stored here, even though the Dutch government has never officially admitted it. The U.S. won't confirm it either. But Google Earth doesn't lie. Something here is being hidden. A quiet airfield on the map, and possibly one of the most powerful arsenals in Europe. In the heart of Amsterdam sits a royal palace that's blurred on Google Earth. It's not hidden in the countryside or tucked behind military fences. It's in plain sight, yet partially censored. Why? Some believe it's for security reasons, as the palace is a residence of the Dutch royal family. Others speculate it could be hiding underground structures, or older elements tied to government secrets. What's strange is, other royal buildings across Europe are fully visible. But here, the satellite data is blocked. A beautiful building above ground, but no one's allowed to see what lies below. In the turquoise waters of the South Pacific lies a paradise with a radioactive past. It's called Mururoa Atoll, a remote island used by France for nuclear testing. Between 1966 and 1996, over 180 nuclear tests were conducted here, some underground, some in the air. The result? Radiation, structural collapse, and growing fears that the island might one day crack and collapse into the sea. On Google Earth, large parts of the island are blurred or distorted. Some satellite views even appear stitched together, as if hiding something. France has restricted access, and most footage is classified. Once a tropical paradise, now a ticking environmental time bomb that Google doesn't want you zooming in on. In the state of Maryland, USA, sits a military base with a controversial past. Fort Detrick. Once the heart of America's biological weapons program, Fort Detrick developed some of the deadliest pathogens on Earth: anthrax, plague, and other classified bioagents. Today, it's a research facility for biodefense. But on Google Earth, many parts of the base are blurred or low resolution. Some believe the censorship hides ongoing experiments, classified labs, or storage of biological weapons. Security is tight, information is scarce, and the base's past still casts a long radioactive shadow. What's happening behind those fences now? No one outside the government is allowed to know. And Google won't let you look too closely either. In the middle of Australia's Red Desert, surrounded by nothing but sand and silence, lies one of the most secretive spy bases in the world, Pine Gap. Run jointly by the United States and Australia, Pine Gap is a critical hub for global surveillance, satellite tracking, and military intelligence. What's strange? Parts of it are blurred or pixelated on Google Earth. Some believe it's involved in drone operations, nuclear command networks, and even monitoring UFOs and space activity. The facility is completely off-limits, fenced, guarded, heavily restricted airspace above. And its true purpose? Still officially classified. If Google Earth doesn't want you seeing it clearly, maybe it's because what happens there was never meant to be seen. Hidden deep in the forests of Poland is a mysterious airstrip that doesn't appear on most maps. And on Google Earth, it's partially blurred. It's called the Mazurek Airstrip, and it's long been rumored to be linked to CIA black site operations. During the early 2000s, this location allegedly served as a secret prison where detainees were held and interrogated, off the record. Satellite imagery from that time shows strange activity, planes landing, new structures, and fenced areas. But today, the imagery is missing or degraded. Neither Poland nor the U.S. will confirm what happened here. What we're left with is a forest clearing, a censored strip of land, and a chilling reminder of the lengths governments go to in the shadows. High in the Ural Mountains of Russia, there's a city that doesn't appear on most maps, and on Google Earth, it's intentionally blurred. It's called Mezhgory, a closed city believed to be connected to Mount Yamantau, one of Russia's most mysterious military zones. Some believe Mezhgoria is home to a vast underground complex, a nuclear bunker, weapons facility, or even a secret city for high-ranking officials. Satellite images show roads leading to nowhere, guard posts, and tightly restricted areas. Russian authorities say it's just a mining site, but most experts and conspiracy theorists disagree. Whatever Mezhgoria is hiding, Google Earth doesn't want you zooming in to find out. At the very top of the world, where every line of longitude meets, lies one of Google Earth's most blurred regions, the North Pole. Instead of a clear view, you'll find a swirl of pixelation, strange shadows, and what some say looks like a digital cover-up. Why? Officially, it's due to satellite image distortion caused by the Earth's shape and polar mapping limitations. But conspiracy theorists think otherwise. Some believe there's a massive hole at the pole, leading to a hidden world beneath the Earth. Others say it's a secret military base, or even an entrance to a hollow Earth civilization. Whatever it is, Google's maps won't show it clearly. The planet's most mysterious point may also be the one we're never meant to truly see. From the Arctic ice to the deserts of Australia, some places are blurred, others completely erased. Are they hiding danger, secrets, or something we were never meant to see? One thing is certain, what you don't see can be the most revealing of all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay curious, because the truth is often just out of view.